Achieving a lasting white finish has been a challenge for professional painters throughout history. You're not alone. General Finishes has developed a painting system to produce an exceptional white finish over various substrates without yellowing, discoloration, or adhesion failure. Use compatible products that are formulated to complement each other. This will improve adhesion and performance. GF's system consists of primers, paints, and pigmented top coats. GF has two types of primers in our paint system. One provides a physical barrier and the other a stain-blocking chemical barrier. White undercoat is a physical barrier and is formulated for new wood construction and MDF. A common use for white undercoat is pre-primed millwork. Here's a finger-jointed poplar. See how well the white undercoat hides the seam of the joint and the color variation? It's the perfect primer at a great price point, and it builds quickly to create a solid foundation for brushable white enamel, milk paint, or white poly. Stain Blocker is a chemical barrier and is the most effective stain blocking primer on the market to prevent bleed-through with painted finishes. It's a higher price point, but the cost is far less than redoing a failed kitchen. Reds are the most notorious for bleed-through, so you can see how remarkably this primer performs. This entire board was stained with Merlot dye stain. Here's how it bleeds through an unprimed snow white milk paint. And here it is, performing like a champ with just 2 coats of Stain Blocker. The first coat will absorb the bleed through, and the second coat will seal the surface. General Finishes offers 3 self-sealing paints that do not require top coat. All of them are tintable to light colors using most zero VOC water-based colorants. Best practice is to apply a total of 3 to 4 coats using a combination of primer and paint. For example, you could use 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint over an open grain woods such as oak. On a smoother substrate such as maple, 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of paint would suffice. Staying within a system like the GF family of finishes and choosing the right primer and paint for your project will ensure successful, consistent results. And of course, always prep before starting. Want the best white paint system in the market? Think General Finishes. General Finishes is dedicated to testing, evaluating, and advancing our water-based finishes with the highest quality ingredients and leading-edge water-based technology. Learn more about these and other GF products at generalfinishes.com. General Finishes, we make tomorrow's finishes today.